Musamseleku and Samke, they were at Macele's house. So they want to show Macele about the pregnancy. They want to tell her about the pregnancy. So Macele, she was already know about the pregnancy because Musamseleku, he was admitted at her hospital. So Macele asked Samke that, are you okay? You understand? Because Macele, she was already so that Samke, she was already pregnant. You understand him? So Macele, guys, she was already know because Macele, she is pretending in front of other wives of Makumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwabe that she doesn't know anything because Macele doesn't tell other wives that Samke, she is pregnant, already pregnant. You understand it? So Samke, she was in shock that other wives that doesn't know about the pregnancy. You understand it? So Msamseleku, he was very excited that still fertile because Macele asked Musamseleku that, are you still fertile? Because he wants to see Mangwabe pregnancy. Mangwabe's pregnancy, Mayeni's pregnancy. You understand him? So Musamseleku prove Macele that he is still fertile. You understand? He is still fertile because Samkeshi is pregnant now. It's not about Mangwabe and Mayeni. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they don't want to have other children. It not means Musamseleku, he is not fertile or what. You understand? It doesn't mean that even Macele, you understand? Macele, she can give Musamseleku another child, but they don't want to have other children. Macele, Mayeni, and Mangwabe, because they have got three children. You understand? Especially Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she was already told Musamseleku that she doesn't want to have another child. You understand? Musamseleku, he is still fertile. You understand? But they are preventing Mangwabe and Mayeni. You understand? Mangwabe and Mayeni and Macele. They are preventing because nowadays they are prevention. You understand? They are preventing. They don't want to have other children because especially Mangwabe, they are employed. They are busy at work. Guys, it's hard to raise a child and you are employed. You understand? You are busy at work and a child, you want to take care of children. That's why Mangwabe, they don't want to have other children. You understand? Because sometimes Musamseleku, he doesn't have enough money to take care of those children he wants. You understand? Musamseleku is still fertile just because even Samke can't have 4-5 children. She can't give children in the above. Maybe she was in 3 children, not 4-5. And Musamseleku is going to take the 60th wife. We will saw it.